We know that your maintenance technicians are always on the go around your district. Like superheroes, they go wherever they're needed. They don't have time to run back to the desk to see what tickets they need to work on next. Instant IQ Mobile lets your technicians check Instant IQ in the field from their phone or tablet, work tickets, find where an asset is located with asset maps, and look up an asset's history on the go without lugging around the laptop. Let's jump in and take a look. You're out in the field and an AC heating ticket gets assigned to you. You can instantly see all the information on the ticket like the user, the issue, and the details. Click Progress and Start Ticket to start the ticket. Now you can add actions, labor hours, parts, comments, and shortcuts. Anything you do on a computer, you can do right from your phone. So you're working on the AC issue and need to find out where the air conditioner is located. Choose the location on the AC, click on Maps, and the floor is located on. Now, you have a map of the floor to help you locate where the asset lives at the school. You found the broken AC unit, and now you want to see its service history. Click the search button on the top right, click Scan, and scan the asset. Press View Asset, and you now have the asset profile and its entire history at your fingertips. You now know everything that has gone wrong with the AC in the past and what has been done to fix it, making it easier to diagnose the current problem. That's how easy it is to work tickets in the field with Instant IQ Mobile. If you would like to learn more about Instant IQ, head over to instantiq.com for product information, customer success stories, and our on-demand video library. You can also schedule a live demo for an in-depth look at Instant IQ in action. Thanks for watching.